Okay, let's learn our half notes. Now that we got the quarters, actually like quarter note rhythms almost like the center of the rhythm universe. Now we're going to go to the additive side. If quarter notes themselves, and let me grab my quarter notes, I think I have them around here still. Right here are our quarter notes. Let's look at what's going to really happen here. I'm going to spread these out. This will give us a good representation, right? Okay, here are our quarter notes, and now look what's happened. These are called half notes. And if I turn over my card, we find out that a half note fills the time of two quarter notes. It lasts for two counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we still have 4, look at that. But they last for 2. Let's do this. And now let's get ready to play our half notes, okay? Okay, here we go. I'll use my note C again, middle C. Oh, and let me make sure I have my pointer finger. But remember, these are going to be held for 2 beats. So it's going to be 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice I am holding the notes for the duration. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Half notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, in the same token, just like I have half notes, I can also have half rest. Look at that. And when I was studying music theory, when we saw the half rest on the staff, they looked like a hat. So hats, half, H's, that's how I would remember that symbol. So of course now the half rest fills the time of 2 quarter notes or 2 counts, right? So it would be 1, 2, rest, and 1, 2, rest, and. Actually, so right, if I'm going to think of things in 4, I better separate these because that's 2 plus 2 is 4. That's our measure number 1. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. That's our measure number 2. So here we go. Let's use our note C. I'll do my pointer. Now we're playing 2 measures. Measure number 1 and measure 2. Half notes with a half rest. Half note with a half rest. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, rest, and 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 1, 2, rest, and. That's awesome. Just practice that, and you're going to be good to go on your half note rhythm.